Okay, so good morning everyone and welcome back in today's class. Today we are on the day number 17, and in the last 2 or 3 days what we discussed so that I can just take a recap and take you on the current topic. So we started with the discussion on the request management, how a request management work in ServiceNow. For that we see the service portal where I can put my catalogs, I can put categories, and I can put my items. We created a catalog, category, and the item. At last in the item we try to put some variable set, available for, not available for. Then we try to put the different options on the portal, submit, order, or these things will be there, pricing, reoccurring pricing, all the things will be there. Okay, and then finally we started with the workflow or the process engine. In the process engine, execution plan is not required, so I skip that part. Workflow, which we discussed yesterday, in that workflow we saw that how I can create a workflow for my catalog item. It means a workflow should be having a begin and end, and post that I can put the core activities in that area. In the core activities I have few things. If you're putting approval, then you have to be decide which group, which user approve need to be done. Then you have to be decide that if approve, then what will happen, if reject, then what will happen. Okay, so these things we discuss in our last 3 days topic. Today I'm going to be discuss the same thing. Okay, let's do the one thing. Today we are going to be create a catalog item with the catalog builder. Okay, a new way to create a catalog item, but things will be similar. Okay, let me try to open this. No, it still be working for me. It take another 1 or 2 more minutes, I guess. Okay, so basically catalog builder, if I give a clear picture, catalog builder is the new format or the new way to create the catalog item. Okay, ऐसा कुछ नहीं है कि जो अलग है, ऐसा नहीं है. Everything is same, similar. You have to put the question, you have to put the variables, you have to put the variable set, you have to map the catalog, category, everything you have to map. But the way of working is little different in the catalog builder. The question come, Atul, why catalog builder has been introduced? Okay, the reason is that ServiceNow think, if you want to create, like, let's take example. Suppose you guys have opened a restaurant, okay, and today you have a menu card of only for the, what I can say, main course. After 6 months, 8 months, you are getting a good progress, and you say, let's introduce something on the starter as well. Now, what you do? You will go back to the printing person and say, boss, can you print my catalog item? Sorry, catalog for the is this thing starter. He said, okay, but you will give him, boss, I need similar to this format only. Means जैसा आपने अपना main course का print कराया था, same I need in the format of the starter as well. It means it should have your logo, pricing, details होगा, item का क्या क्या details है, कैसे बनेगा, spicy, non-spicy, all these things will be there. So what you are doing, you are just giving them a template, and on the basis of the template, he is creating the catalog for you guys. So the one thing which I did not like in the catalog builder, you cannot create the catalog item from the scratch without help of template. I'll show you that what I want to be tell to you here. So now you can go here and we can search for the catalog builder. Okay. In the meantime, I'll open the maintain item here so that I can show you the comparison as well. Okay, this is a catalog builder which has been designed in the another format. I'm not sure that is a UI builder or not, but something similar. The ServiceNow is bringing up a new module kind of these things. Okay, now if you see here, dashboard, which say, okay, what you want to do it here. Catalog items, you can see here. यहाँ पर आपको वो भी मिलेगा जो आपने कल बनाया था, it is small scale. and finally catalog item templates. पता मुझे बुक पब्लिश करनी है, आई नो दैट बुक के लिए मुझे ये सारे टेम्पलेट्स चाहिए, सैंपल चाहिए होते हैं, यू कैन यूज दैट. लैपटॉप के लिए बनाना है, मोबाइल फॉर IT issues. So these are the templates they already given. They say boss use the template and go ahead, because ServiceNow always says reusability होना चाहिए आपके काम में. If you want to suppose I'm implementing ServiceNow for a printer client, or the printing client specifically. I know he always publish the books only. Why not I create a template for him for the catalog items? Template बना हुआ, multiple items आप बना सकते हो easily. So that you can use at your end. If I want to do it from the scratch, let's see if this option is available in the Roam release or not, because I'm seeing the option here in new. Let me click on the new. Don't be confused. Okay, yes, I'm on the right time. So now you can see that these are the steps you have to be complete to create a catalog item. Number first point is template. Now the question come, Atul, I don't want to use the template. I want to create a catalog item from the scratch. मुझे template नहीं बनाना, मेरी कंपनी में नया काम आया. Then what should I do? I'll give you the workaround for the same. So what you can do in this case, go here and create a new catalog item. Okay, let me put in the wedding. I have a small scale. Now I'll put a destination wedding. ठीक है, और कुछ नहीं करना आपको, nothing else, nothing, just save it, because you need a record in this table. That's all. Okay, now you can go here and cross this or cancel this and reload this page. And now you will get an option here, destination wedding. Rest things you can create it from here only. See this one. That is the workaround I am telling to you. But if you want to create a catalog item from the catalog builder only, click on the new. But here you have to be choose the template first. You cannot skip this part. यहाँ पे skip का option नहीं है. Continue and it will ask you the template. I said I want to go for the books. मुझे books के लिए catalog item बताना है. Okay. Use this item. Let me. So now things will be there. So you have a basic information. So these things which you can see here, you cannot change because the templates are. Template means these are the fixed things. So you have to be decide that do you want to go for the template or not. The only purpose why a ServiceNow give a template, so that your work should be reduced. But in our case, Atul, we want to create from the scratch. Then go to home. So we created a destination wedding as a catalog item, and now we will do all the things in this area. Go here, click on the destination wedding. In this, you are allowed to do any kind of changes because ये template से नहीं आ रहा. Click on the edit. फर्क कुछ नहीं है. It is just a front end is different, and you will be happy. Wow, it's looking good. Now these are the things which we have to do it. अलग नहीं है. Let's go here. Do you want to change the item catalog item name? Destination wedding? No, that's fine. Celebration. Okay, scroll down. Item details. Anything you want to put? Okay, done. Click on the save. Step number 2, location. Location means under which catalog and category you want to put it. I'll go to this one. Browse. Here's the benefit. You can put multiple catalogs in a one go. I want to show this item in the multiple catalogs. हो सकता है ना water bottle will be available in the starter menu, will be available in the main course, will be available in the drinks as well. So I'll say so I'll use celebration, I'll use Arun, I use Abhinay, I use employee, I use customer service. These many I can use. कर दो भाई, मुझे ये आइटम सब में चाहिए. Don't be confused, Atul. Why? I'm just putting a random examples here. Save selection. Now catalog has been done. Now category. Same thing. यहाँ पे जो किया था catalog and category, right? Now click on this. In which category you want? In the celebration, I have a wedding as a category. So I'll put it. Where is the wedding gone? This one. Wedding, visas, veg food, and pencil. मुझे इसमें चाहिए. Save. Done. Now if I reload this page, this value will be populated, or it will be shown in the related item. It will show in the related items only. See, you cannot edit this item as it has been checked out by the catalog builder. So either you can make a changes from here, either you can make a changes from here. Only one place. Now questions. Questions means your variables, I can say. Insert a new question. Question set, variable set. Deactivity question, you want to see single column, two column, line break. I want to see the, I'll put insert new question. मुझे question set नहीं, I don't want a variable set. I want a question set here. What type? See. Choice. Subtype. Drop down, record reference, which you want. Radio button. Okay. Choice. Go here. Drop down. Yes. Drop down चाहिए. Include none choice. Yes. Okay. What value you want to put? Click on the plus. Male, male. Female, female. If you don't want none, see the beauty now. You remove none and you are able to see the preview in a quick go. ये benefit है catalog builder का. यहाँ पर भी है. You can see in the try करके option other try it करके. But this is the beauty of service now. How quick you want to see. Notation you want to put any kind of a help text instructions you can use. Put insert question. The following friend determined are not made. क्या रह गया भाई? अच्छा name रह गया. Name यहाँ पर. अच्छा ये रह गया. Sorry. Gender. Gender. Insert question. Done. I'll put one question only. Trick. Now if you want to see the preview at this point, click on the preview here. How you want to see, this is on the portal. Portal means on the laptop how it will look like. It will be look like this. See, you want to see on the Now mobile app. You can open the preview in the another tab as well. Because nowadays mobile is required. Your app is there. So how it will look like on the mobile phone? See, it will look like this. These are the things where ServiceNow always on the number one. It is tough to beat ServiceNow in these area, and how it will look like this. So this is the half things we've done. Settings means on the portal settings. Similar. Quantity, all this thing you want to put. Access, available, not available for, which we discuss here in this area. This is important. Fulfillment method. Only thing which is be required here. In the catalog builder, you cannot use the execution plan. See what is saying, select the fulfillment process that you want to like. This item has an execution plan that cannot be configured in the catalog builder. It means the क्यों आया है, the purpose क्या है, because we created the catalog item from the maintain item. और जब आप maintain item से you create any catalog item, by default it pick up the this thing. So now to bring something here, what you have to do, review and submit. Let me submit it so that it should be checked in and I can make a changes from there. Done. Now if you go here and reload this page, क्या हो गया, क्यों नहीं करने दे रहा मुझे? अच्छा, कैंसिल चेकड आउट. ओके, मुझे कैंसिल चेकड आउट करना पड़ेगा. ओ क्यों भाई, क्यों 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 क्यों? यहाँ तो सबमिट हो गया ना मेरा. Maybe they need to do something new here now. Either you can use this or either you can use that. Because I cannot make a change here. Acha, it is in the review state. Okay, open it. Edit. Do you want to cancel the event, proceed to the update item? Yes. हमने शायद बाद में नहीं किया. क्यों भाई, क्या हो गया ऐसा? Why it's showing like this? कुछ झोल तो नहीं किया? Do you want to cancel the review and proceed? No. अरे ऐसे कैसे भाई? Edit this field is not supported. Okay, but why it's not giving me any option here? I guess we done something wrong. Maybe because till my previous training, these options were not there. Cancel checked out, and that isn't now. It's creating a problem for me. So now you can see these things are with there. Let me click on the update here. Maybe it's locked from the both sides. That is what I'm putting. Why it's going this side? क्या था हमारा destination? Now I am getting an option here, and I'll remove this. वो शायद वही, because they put some timer so that my details should be updated. I'll click on the save. It should not take again the default. Okay, now I'll go here. ठीक है, and I reload my page just to be get the latest data here. Catalog item, and in the catalog builder you can use either the workflow or the flow designer. Note the both things. दोनों चीजें आप नहीं यूज कर सकते. सिर्फ one thing you can be use. Yeah, now it's working fine. I'll go to see. It is showing dot. It means it is mandatory, which I did not put it. So now you are getting option. Either put the flow designer or either put the workflow. I said let me put the workflow. कौन सा बनाया था हमने? Small scale. Small scale ready. Let me put this workflow just for the saving purpose. Yeah, continue to review and submit. All fine. Click submit. Now let me go to my dashboard. Catalog items. See, it's in the publishing. It take maybe 1 minute maximum to publish the things. Here we can check. You can see this heartbeat says that this value has been checked out from somewhere else, and these other somewhere else is there. Now this has been published. Let's go here. And go to the wedding section. Request something. Go to the celebrations, wedding, and now you get these things. Destination wedding. And you will find everything here. Now, any question till this point?
I haven't tried this, but this looks more promising and time saving.
Definitely, but the only thing is that catalog builder should be used via template. This is a workaround I'm telling you. But ServiceNow recommend always use the template in the catalog builder.
So by template we mean for a specific set of applications, for a specific set of
Yes,
we have to
correct.
design just like we do in KB articles, right?
Right. So like you can see here, multiple templates are given. Maybe I want to create my own template for the celebration. I can create standard or kind of record producer, which Ronald asked yesterday. I'll come to this point. Continue here. I'm creating my own template here. My template name is for the celebration. Template name, celebration. Any short description I'll not put. I want this short description should be filled at the time of the selection. Template available for which catalog item you want to put it with this. Details you can put, basic information you want to put or not, these things. Location, all the things. So you can try something. What can be changed, what cannot be changed. It is good for a set of industry who are working in that particular area only. But if I'm supporting multiple customers and my customer has a multiple catalog items, then this template will not work for me mainly. Same settings, access, override is important. Who can edit? Who can make any question selected in that? It means this is a user specific rules you are saying. And finally, review and submit. You can use that part. Up to you what you want to be used. But if you want to come at this place, then create like this item and then come to this place for all kind of a modification. It is not time saving as well. If you think it's a time saving, no. ये सिर्फ देखने का नजरिया चेंज और कुछ भी नहीं है. Look and feel is good. Colors are so good, which is I'm liking. यहाँ पर क्या एक white screen सी है बस वही देखते रहो बैठ के. Correct? वो चीजें हैं यहाँ पर. Otherwise, it's a way of selling the service now. Don't tell to your customer that it is a new. Say it is a value add. Easy to understand. And why these things? Because service now coming to the low code or the no code side. Now in this case, if you are a consultant, I am a consultant, it is easy for both of us to be define the create a catalog item and show in the demonstration without taking help from the technical team. At least minimum तो मैं बना ही सकता हूँ ना इसमें अपना. And I can show कि बॉस ये देखो सब चीजें यहाँ से उठ के आ रही है. आपको क्या क्या changes करने हैं? I can tell you. Clear guys till this point? Any doubt? Ronald, Surya.
And can we use all kind of variables over here, like on this one?
Can we use all kind of
variables like list collector and everything like that?
बिंदास.
में कोई कमी नहीं है.
उसमें कोई फर्क नहीं है. Go to questions. क्वेश्चन सेट भी ले सकते हो तुम अपना पूरा का पूरा. बनाना चाहो बना सकते हो दोबारा से.
Question set means variable set.
Variable set. See, checkbox, date, time, list collector, all the things will be there. और कुछ नहीं है उसमें. Things are similar. सिर्फ देखने का नजरिया चेंज कर दिया और कुछ नहीं है. पहले आप कीबोर्ड प्रेस करके जीमेल ओपन करते थे, आप जीमेल के टैब पे उस पे आइकन पे जाके ओपन करते हो जाता है, सिर्फ इतना फर्क है और कुछ नहीं है, बैकग्राउंड में सब कुछ सेम ही चल रहा है. बट यस, वन थिंग दे चेंज, you cannot use the execution plan here. You have to either use the flow designer or the workflow.
Okay. Now execution plan is legacy.
Yes. Now, yes. So they are moving to the next state now. So they're saying let's try to remove this execution plan, so that people should be go to the next level. Second important point. Maybe you later on you have a question. Atul, can we migrate these many maintained items into catalog builder? It is already migrated for you guys. This question will come when I go for the flow designer. Can we migrate the workflow into the flow designer? No, never. At least अभी तो इसका कोई solution नहीं है ServiceNow ने दिया. If suppose we are using a called small scale, right? If you say, Atul, this is a workflow, can I migrate this workflow into the flow designer? No, you cannot migrate. You had to create new in the flow designer. So that is now if you are working for any company and you are getting a new business, ask your development team to use the flow designer, because ServiceNow is moving to the flow designer. In the change, they're using the flow designers nowadays. For the model specific, they bring some concept called the model, change model. So they're using the flow designer, they're not the workflows. Only then we will proceed to the next step only. Okay, any other doubt, Surya and Ronald? You're not asking anything. I'm worried.
Not like clear as of.
Okay.
Yeah, just a little practice is required.
Yes. Okay, now let's move to the next step called the flow designer. And I go here. Let me close all these things. And in the panel, I'll open the workflow. Okay. This is little heavy because the interface is very good. और ये मेरा सबसे confusing topic रहता है. I generally confuse. Even though I'm taking this from last 3 to 4 batches, but still I confuse. Okay. So now you can see that the few flows has been designed here. Review, implement, authorize, normal, change. If I say the normal one, let's see. See, it does not have the workflow called the change request normal task. क्योंकि ये workflow है, ये flow design है. Okay, the reason I said in the beginning, you cannot migrate this. You are drag drop करके यहाँ पे लाओगे नहीं होगा, नहीं. You have to be designed afresh. Now on this, I have a 5 or 6 tabs on the top. Flow, subflow. We know this thing कि क्या है क्या नहीं है. Actions. Actions means when you want to perform any activity. Workflow, like I can say task is one of the action. जो मेरी core activities थी वो यहां पर आ जाएंगी आपकी. Create a task on case. Let me see. Catalog task सर्च करके देखता हूँ कुछ है क्या. Yes, see. Catalog task. यहां पर क्या था ये? यहां पर सिर्फ ओपन करना पड़ेगा मुझे. कुछ भी ओपन कर लेते हैं तभी वो एक्टिविटीज दिखाएगा उसकी. हाँ भाई ओपन हो रहा है. सबर करो. दिस सी, यहाँ पर टास्क क्या है? अटैचमेंट और क्रिएट टास्क. यहाँ पर भी है बट दे कॉल्ड एज ए. अब देखो यहाँ पर दो है. क्रिएट कैटलॉग टास्क ऑन रिक्वेस्ट, क्रिएट कैटलॉग टास्क ऑन द रिक्वेस्ट आइटम. दोनों अलग अलग हैं। ये एग्जीक्यूशन है, नोटिफिकेशन देखते हैं। ये देखो, इन्होंने नोटिफिकेशन के टेम्पलेट ही बना के रख दिए विद जीमेल, SMS, ये सब चीजें अलग अलग है। नाउ कम टू द एग्जीक्यूशन। कब कब क्या क्या रन हुआ और क्या क्या देखा मैंने, ये सारे वर्कफ्लोस, connections. If you are doing any kind of integration, okay, another benefit of the flow designer, it is providing you the scope of integration in the wider area. See, you already have these many APIs or the connection inbuilt, and you just click on that and you can do the config integration easily. मतलब कि in ServiceNow there is a concept a module has been launched called the integration hub. Okay, and to do any kind of integration you need the SPOCs. SPOCs means kind of a APIs you needed. So ServiceNow say with the help of the flow designer your integration is very easy now. क्योंकि देखो आपको पता है ये सब बने हुए हैं, आपको सिर्फ अपने थोड़े से चेंजेस करने हैं एड्रेसेस के हिसाब से और आपका काम हो जाएगा। ठीक है, सो जनरली वी विल डिस्कस अबाउट दिस 4 points mainly. Now I can go on the new. अब न्यू में आई हैव मल्टीपल थिंग्स, फ्लो, सब फ्लो, एक्शन और डेटा स्ट्रीम। पता नहीं डेटा स्ट्रीम क्या है, शायद ये डेटा लाने के लिए होगा कुछ। विल स्टार्ट विद द फ्लो, द वे वी डिड इन द दिस एरिया। क्लिक ऑन द न्यू, फ्लो हैज बीन स्टार्टेड। फ्लो का नाम क्या है, डेस्टिनेशन वेडिंग। डिस्क्रिप्शन, एप्लीकेशन, डोमेन, प्रोटेक्शन मींस it should be read only by or editable, it should be none. Run as, जैसे यहां पर था, अगर मैं बनाऊं यहां पर एक नया वर्कफ्लो, that is it is be required little comparison to do the mapping. मैं ये नहीं कह रहा कि एक अच्छा है बुरा, नहीं, I am telling कि it is has these benefits and this is that benefits. यहां पर रहता है शायद ये कंडीशन मैचेस का, run the workflow kind of things। हाँ ये रहा, start succession according to order column each item। so यहाँ पर क्या है, user who initiate the session, कि जैसे ही यूजर सबमिट करेगा you have to be start that part. so these things we never touch any role to run this flow. I said no role required, any user can do that part, click submit. This is just a definition I am creating, simple और कुछ नहीं। Here I will cheat you guys little bit, ठीक है, मैं थोड़ा सा इसका वो जाता हूँ, कहाँ गया ये रहा, बताता हूँ मैं क्यों चीट कर रहा हूँ यहाँ पर, क्योंकि समटाइम आई ऑल्सो गेट कंफ्यूज्ड। ठीक है, ये हो गया इसका यहाँ पे। अब देखो यहाँ पर क्या है, इधर आते हैं। इन दिस द फर्स्ट पॉइंट इज कॉल्ड द ट्रिगर। इट मीन्स व्हेन दिस पर्टिकुलर वर्कफ्लो डिजाइन विल बी एग्जीक्यूट, मतलब कुछ तो टेबल का नाम देना पड़ेगा, राइट। सो क्लिक ऑन द ट्रिगर हियर। और मैंने ट्रिगर का क्या नाम दिया, मैंने कहा जब मेरा कोई रिकॉर्ड बन जाएगा। आई हैव मल्टीपल ट्रिगर्स हियर, record created, updated, or both, date, weekly, timely, or these things. Let me see, because I am working on the catalog, so I'll go for this thing, service catalog. अब यहां पर आपको टेबल्स देने की जरूरत नहीं पड़ेगी, यू आर जस्ट गिविंग अ नेम कि ये वाला वर्कफ्लो सर्विस कैटलॉग पे चलेगा। जस्ट टू री-वेरीफाई आई ओपन समथिंग इन द हियर एज वेल, created updated by, देखिए मेरा कोई पुराना है क्या, let's see date data kt क्या है ये, because trigger is important on which type of record, which type of table or which table it should trigger. I'm using the trigger condition here. Okay. In the meantime, it's open. Let me go here. जैसे यहाँ पर हम टेबल देते थे SC_REQ or RITM number. That same thing we give it here as a here. If you want to see the advanced options, you can see when to run. I said flow run in the background. ऐसा तो नहीं कि आपकी स्क्रीन के ऊपर दिखता है कि मैं फ्लो में कहां पर हूं, नहीं. It's always run in the background. यहां पर ये ऑप्शंस हम नहीं देते. If I scroll down here, if condition matches, run always in the match condition. This thing ये तो हमारा हो गया. इसमें ऐसा और कुछ नहीं है, इसको क्लोज कर देता है यहाँ पे. Let's come back here only. I said put in this here only. Click done. मतलब कि एक चीज तो क्लियर हो गई. Now you can see here. हमने ट्रिगर बनाया और ट्रिगर बना के क्या हुआ, ये देखो सर्विस कैटलॉग है, उसमें एक RITM बनेगा, ठीक है, और उस RITM के ये सारे फील्ड्स होंगे. सी असाइनमेंट ग्रुप, ऑल द थिंग्स विल बी देयर, क्योंकि ये फील्ड्स हम आगे अभी यूज करेंगे कहीं ना कहीं. ठीक है. इफ यू वांट टू मिनिमाइज इट, यू कैन मिनिमाइज इट. Requested item record, it means when any RITM has been created, then this flow will be started. Now action, flow logic और sub flow, यहाँ पर सारा खेल है हमारा. Now in our workflow जो हमारे बनाया था small वाला, what we done in the beginning, we said as soon as the trigger has been done, approval should be trigger. This one, right? So same thing will go here. Click on this. आपको क्या बनाना है? Action है, logic है या सब flow है? Let's put action. Action क्या है कि आपको क्या करना है? I said कि मुझे तो क्या करना है? मुझे अपना अप्रूवल करना है, कैटलॉग अप्रूवल. Let's see something for the approval is there or not. यहाँ सर्च करते हैं, देखो ये रहा. Ask for approval. Disregard change request. मेरा अप्रूवल किस पे चलना चाहिए? My approval work on which particular thing? It should work on the RITM or REQ. Let's see. इससे कुछ नहीं मिल रहा, then I can say catalog. In ITSM, I can think something will be available. Let's see. ये देखो ये रहा. Create catalog task. Create catalog task on request. Create request. मुझे ये भी नहीं चाहिए. What I need a approval, and approval will be in the global always. Trigger catalog item publish, create catalog task, create catalog item from the task. मुझे ये भी नहीं चाहिए. What I need actually here, let's go back. ये चीजें आपको समझ के और देख के आएंगी. It is again tough for me as well at point of time कि मुझे किस एरिया में जाना है. Should I pick up this approval? Should I pick up this approval? I say ask for the approval. Let's see what is this. That is I open the cheat sheet here क्योंकि I got confused sometime. हाँ. अब वो क्या कह रहे हैं? Ask for the approval. Okay. किस पर चाहिए ये आपको बताना पड़ेगा. I said अब देखो drag and drop data pill. What is this basically? It's saying on which record you want to trigger the approval. I said in this trigger कि भाई एक RITM बनेगा, मुझे उस पे approval चाहिए. So you have option like this here and here. Data pill picker for the record. Click on this. Click on this and click on this. कि बॉस मुझे इस पर्टिकुलर रिकॉर्ड पे एक अप्रूवल चाहिए. ऐसे ये जो ऑप्शन आपको दिख रहा है, दिस इज वेरी गुड. दिस विल बी रिक्वायर्ड व्हेन वी गो फॉर द ATF सेशन एज वेल. एंड दिस इज द ब्यूटी ऑफ फ्लो डिजाइनर. थोड़ा कॉम्प्लिकेटेड है, आई नो इट इज अ कॉम्प्लिकेटेड वन, बट इट रिक्वायर्ड अ लॉट ऑफ प्रैक्टिस इन द बैकग्राउंड. ओके, नाउ इट कम डाउन. सो सपोज आई पुट द अप्रूवल है, राइट. यहां से उठा के मैंने अप्रूवल यहां डाला ये वाला. इसके बाद क्या था, एक विंडो ओपन होगा, राइट. I'll go here. Now it's saying rule approve when choose approval rule. Anyone approve? I said, okay, anyone approve, that's fine for me. But who is anyone? I need to define the group or the user here. I said group, add a group. कौन सा group होगा? Batch 6. Okay. ठीक है. Done. But if reject, फिर क्या करना है? बताओ. If reject, click another rule. Or reject. If anyone reject. नहीं. Now we are going in the wrong direction. क्यों? Okay, I'll take a hold for a minute. First, I'll take your question answer here. Then I'll go forward. Guys, put questions. I know it's confusing now. Ankit, Surya, Ronald.
No, it is complex
Yes,
to
definitely.
absorb.
Yep.
But maybe if you, I think we need practice. But I think, if I go to do it myself, I may not be able to do it. But would you have something that we can refer to?
Yes. I'm
practice.
We can pick up the out of the box only. Like this, you can see here. This is one of my previous one. I pick it up. Service catalog which we did on the trigger part. ठीक है, ये ठीक था. Ask for the approval. Now it is an action. We can just verify. Ask for the approval. I am on the right place. Okay. Now if I go here, there is I open this as a cheat sheet here, and I have a what I can say, presentation in the conference as well on 11 December on this topic, and I'm trying to go with the Flow Designer only. So it says ask for the approval. Let's open this. पहले जो बना हुआ उसको देखते हैं. ठीक है. It says ask for the approval on this part. Approve this. Okay, it means till this point I am correct. Approve this. Okay, now I click on the done. कि भाई अगर अप्रूव होगा तब तो ठीक है, बट इफ रिजेक्ट मतलब कि आपका यहाँ पे लॉजिक लगेगा, फ्लो लॉजिक. इफ कंडीशन रिजेक्ट, ड्रैग एंड ड्रॉप पिल इन अप्रूवल में से, स्टेटस इसमें से लेंगे हम.
State लेंगे, state, isn't it?
I'm not sure. Let me see. हाँ, rejected. I'll just verify from here as well, यार. क्योंकि I told ना, I'm confused sometime. हाँ, rejected. ठीक है. Okay. So it means if someone reject, then what to do? Done. But ये logic पूरा बना नहीं है. If reject, then what to do? I added my logic, but I did not add the condition. Then
state is equal to incomplete.
Sorry. If reject, then add a action. What action is end? If end is the action, or the flow logic will be there. Let me see the flow logic. End. मेरा process end कर दो. So this is the step has been done now. Trigger हुआ, approval गया, reject हो गया. Approve हो गया तो मैंने यहाँ लिखा. If it's approved, then approval किसके पास जाएगा? यहाँ जाएगा. I am not saying it if it is approved. I am saying approval should go to this particular batch. Fine, done. But if reject, अगर किसी ने reject कर दिया तो end कर दो. If someone approve, it means go to the next action now. Click on the done here and add an action here. What to do? Now create a catalog task. Don't say it's a task, it is a catalog task. create a catalog task. If you put the task, it will create on the SC and it will create on the task table. If you put a catalog task, it will create on the SC underscore task. Sorry, but I'm using this cheat sheet as well because I don't want to give any false impression here. इस वजह से. Now I'll go here and task किसके ऊपर बनाना है? You can, I want a task on the RATM पे. ठीक है भाई, RATM पे बन जाएगा. Short description क्या होगा? Welcoming wedding. Any field value you want to show, जो हमने इसमें किया था, the same thing. And you want to put anything from a template, you can put. Variables you want to show, क्योंकि हमारे इस पे variables नहीं, we are not using any variable on this destination wedding. So this, and click on the done. And now if you want to see, you can save this. And now I'll give you one homework as well. So this is one of the things which I created earlier. Maybe I can just click home here and I can show you some of the basics one which you can see. Because without going through the out of the box, it is tough to be understand. It's still saving. Laptop request is tough one. I want to show something simple. Okay, let's open this laptop request. So now it has been saved. It is still in the draft. I click on the activate so that it become a published one now. And now what I will do, I'll go and add this as a process engine in my catalog item. Okay, it's taking time. Okay, so now in the meantime, it's been activating. I'll show you this thing. Don't know why it's put the condition like this. See, they're saying I want approval from the manager only. So service now give a specific action for the same. In our case, we added a approval to a specific or the random group. But if you want to go for a specific manager approval, you can go here. It is an action. Requested item manager approval. Go on this. If the request item is rejected, what they mention, reject is true. Because वो यहाँ से pick up करके लेके आ रहा है. Then end. Then I'll go for the item head approval. Same concept. उस पे जाओ. If approval reject is true, then end. And after that, it's calling some workflow, some other flow is there. So these two approval, it is be bringing on that part. So these are the simple ones. See, these are the required now. Because I know for my catalog item, I required the manager approval. Instead of defining that in the scripting part, you can define in the action as well. I'll show you that part. Let me show this thing in here first. Okay, now it has been done. So you can see it has been published. I'll go here and open the destination. At least for this section, which we discussed in the last 3 to 4 days, it is must for you guys to be go through one simple hands-on is required. Otherwise, after 2 days, 3 days, you will not 2 days, 3 days, you will forget tomorrow only. Let me remove it from here and I'll put the destination. and click on the save. Now I'll go here, LNG. I'll go here, ready, destination, and just click on the order now. Because मेरा purpose अब ये नहीं है. Our purpose is to see how this workflow will be, or sorry, flow designer will be working here. I need to prepare a case as well. Okay, now I'll go here. I'll give you this homework now. Get ready. क्योंकि ये क्वेश्चन मुझे कल किसी ने पूछा. Someone asked me on the LinkedIn, and even I'm facing this issue for a long time. And now I want you guys to do some troubleshooting on this. ऐसा नहीं है तो आपको नहीं आता तो हमें दे देते हो. वो तो होता ही है.
No problem, we can try that.
Yes, a good teacher is that who don't know the things, he should pass it to the students. Okay, so now you can see here, this has been done because we set up the approver on the RATM level, not REQ level. I open this RATM here, and now you can see approvals are there. Same which we done yesterday, the same thing. Let me approve. It's approved. Now I'll go to the task. Let me reload my page. See, task has been created, and this is the task one. Now what I want to be give you the problem statement. I click on this flow context. This one is there, and I can go to the REQ as well. यहाँ से चलते हैं REQ में. See, ये क्यों आ रहा है मुझे प्रॉब्लम? This is my question now. If I click on the open context record, तभी मुझे कुछ नहीं दिखता. It is not showing anything else. The runtime and all things will be there. Open in the operation view, it giving me the same error. Same page. Why this be happening? Is any property I need to be enabled, disabled, or any rule is required? Why? This is your question, problem statement. Even I'm doing troubleshooting on this. Don't worry. I am also doing the troubleshooting on this, but this will be a hot cake for me now. You have to do some digging on this part. Why this be happening? If I go here on कहाँ गया REQ. Let me open this. Show workflow context. Sometimes people are the same thing where you are already in the trouble. See, workflow logs and all these things will be there. Now, if I go to my flow designer, कहाँ गया हमारा? ये रहा. And I see on the executions. This is what I just executed. State is waiting. Maybe इसको reload करूँगा तो हो जाएगा वो correct हो जाएगा. See, now again I'm not able to see this thing. Why? Check. Because now I'm not able to find out if my workflow is not working, why it is not working. What do you say, Mr. Ronald?
No idea.
Have to find out. We have to. I'm not saying you have to. We have to find out this problem now, because this is I'm facing for a long time. I tried some troubleshooting, but I did not get success. And yesterday, someone pinged me on the LinkedIn, and he put the same statement. Atul, and I saw your training videos, it's good, but I'm not able to find out this context. I said, boss, even I'm not able to find out that answer. Is it something plugin is required, or it is a role required, or some settings are required? That we have to be checked. Put your thoughts somewhere, random thoughts, put some random thoughts on the Google. Then maybe we're able to get it. Okay, now I come to the same thing. So this flow designer is working correctly for us. Now I'll show you something which we already saw here, like for the laptop request I was showing to you. Oh, so many, this one. Item requested item manager approval. Let me open it here in our workflow. Okay, इसको तो close करते हैं. I'll go here. Okay, now I want to make a change here. Then how I can make it? Change default title nahi. Click on the deactivate. But it will be out of the picture in this case. Can any way I can make it a change here without modifying it? नहीं होगा. What I need to do it so that I can make a changes here. क्योंकि अगर मैंने deactivate किया, it will be out of the league. Your flow will not run even the trigger conditions are met. It means that I'm doing a wrong something here. Now how I can make a change in this? बताओ भाई. How I can make a change in this? मुझे भी नहीं पता, सच में मुझे भी नहीं पता. Okay, now let's do one thing. I have this thing at a stage. Let's not go in that part. Okay, let's, as of now, let's deactivate this. You guys try to identify that why we are not getting option for the checked out. Maybe something wrong we are doing here. Okay, now what we'll do, we will try to add these options. Just want to show you this thing, that how this works. If it is open quickly. I know it's 47 and Ronald is coming to say Atul preparing for the meeting. Okay, now this is an action. Suppose I ask for approval, it's work fine. Now I would like to add a, I'm not getting option here, yeah. This one, action. I want to add an action for the manager approval. Search for the manager like this. See, these things will become only and only with the experience. ये मैंने भी 4-5 सेशंस में कर करके इतना सीखा है और इतना ही मैं सिखा पाता हूँ. ओके, सो दिस थिंग्स. यहाँ पे तो कुछ नहीं है अतुल मैनेजर के लिए. अच्छा ठीक है, चलो आगे देखते हैं. मैनेजर है ना, इट्स मीन इट कैन बी अ सब वर्कफ्लो एज वेल. क्लिक ऑन द सब फ्लो एंड नाउ सर्च फॉर द मैनेजर. क्लिक ऑन द ग्लोबल. ये द मैनेजर का, इसमें नहीं है, इसमें जाकर देखते हैं. Fulfillment step, manager approval. Because it is already defined in the system. ServiceNow know this thing that for few of the catalog items we need a manager approval by default. Why should I ask user to create an action for this? Let me give this thing. I put it here only. Let's see what dialog box it opens. This is slow, but it is good. No, something wrong, I guess. Let's see. It's saying fulfillment manager approval. Yes, I need. Let me pick up the data pill. No, something wrong we selected here. Why I'm saying something wrong? Again, it is from the experience part. If you see on this part here, when he click on the manager approval, it just asks for the one thing, not the other things. Because ये requested item पे कह रहा है और हमने किस पे लगाया है, हमने सर्विस फुलफिलमेंट पे लगाया है, इसलिए प्रॉब्लम क्रिएट कर रहा है. Believe me, this is not that much easy जो मुझे लगता था शुरू में, and which I am telling to you guys. These things you will learn only and only by the experience. It means this is the wrong subflow I'm using it. It will not trigger any approval. Service fulfillment maybe for some other catalog it will work. So I'll put as a cancel here.
But Atul, approvals is always done on RITM only. No?
RITM, but what we are doing, we are adding approval on the service request, service fulfillment one.
But maybe that's not the, that's not the right approach.
See, okay, let go here. हमने लिया था मैनेजर के नाम से, ठीक है? I'll open that one. Service catalog, service fulfillment one. Service fulfillment step manager approval. Maybe this is on the REQ level, not on the RITM level.
Correct, REQ level, right?
Correct, but I need on the RITM level. I click on this, and this is say RITM level.
Right.
So maybe you can try first on this part, then you can try on the RITM level. Let's see, इसको use करके देखो अपने example में. See what happen if I use this. Right? Only then I'll be able to. So if that is the case, maybe if I'm using this, maybe my trigger condition had to be changed. क्योंकि मेरा trigger condition किस पर है? RITM पर है, REQ पे नहीं है मेरा trigger condition. Correct. That can be reason.
Has to be. Right? Yeah, I mean, we've always done it on RITM. So REQ ping we never do.
No, I done on the REQ as well. I done on the REQ level. I'll give you the example. Suppose I am a new joiner in your company. Okay, I requested a laptop, a mobile phone, and a desktop. You are the approver for all these three items. Why you will approve a three different items when you are seeing that all these items belong to one REQ? I'll say, Ronald, please put my approval on the REQ level. मैं 3 approvals क्यों दूं? मुझे पता है कि एक approval में काम हो जाएगा. That is somewhere wrong as well. Because if you reject, complete REQ will be rejected. Complete REQ will be rejected. But if you approve, complete REQ will be approved. उसमें अगर आपने गलती से गलत mobile you have demanded or you requested, you will get that as well. So it's depend from the business to business. Like on the order guide, I can put on the REQ level. Right? So because we are using the fulfillment step, that isn't, but we are triggering on the RITM level. It may fail. So now what I will do, I'll delete this and I'll put the manager approval here. And now you will see only these two options. This is the only basics which I'm giving to you and I'm learning with you as well. इसमें तो एडवांस तक तो भी हम गए नहीं, इसमें बहुत एडवांस है आगे इसमें. And I say catalog. And then now you can put the same logic here. Flow logic. If reject one, I say if this one. यहाँ पर option दो, rejected, true, approve तो है ही नहीं. It's only giving rejection because it is a practice. If it is approved, it will go to the next level always. It will not cancel. So reject is and go ahead. Same thing. This 4, why it's 4 is coming and why it is 1 is coming here. If you notice here. Anyone know this thing? Why 1 and why 4 is coming here? Any idea?
Can you scroll up on this? So is that step
So,
number 4?
Post
You
the,
have-
Correct.
post the rejection, that particular state of this, the return would be number 4 according to the values.
No, Ankit. Ronald was saying it is a step number 4. It is taking the input from the step number 4.
Okay.
If in this step I'm getting the rejection, then what action need to be do? But in this case, it was a step number 1 only. If I'm getting the rejection from the 1, what I need to be do? These things which you're seeing here now, it is important in the ATF as well. Something similar we'll do in the ATF as well. So now I put in the here. I say rejection, then put a flow logic as a end. Khatam ka. Now, if you see here catalog task, let me go and create a task here. Created catalog task, created task. See, again difference is there. If you put a task, it will take a table, task table पे जाएगा ये. And then you will not able to find it. अरे task तो बन रहा है लेकिन जा कहाँ रहा है मेरा ये? आपको किस टेबल पे बनाना है? You can select it here. Even you can give it here. sc_task. But ServiceNow say why are you using this table again when I'm giving you the out of the box functionality as well. तो वो चीजें यहाँ पर मैटर कर जाती है. ठीक है. So this is the way that we can define our logics, our flow designer. Okay. A personal request to each and everyone. Don't miss a small practice for this today. अगर मिस किया ना तो कल नहीं पूछ पाओगे, कल मेरे से क्वेश्चन भी नहीं पूछ पाओगे बिकॉज यू फॉरगेट कि मुझे पूछना क्या है. Try to make simple catalog item with one variable and at least create these 3 steps. 1, एक random approval, एक manager approval, एक task. Maybe I can say, let me cancel this. Let me put a, let's see if any notification is there. इंटीग्रेशन हब, इट मींस नोटिफिकेशन यहाँ पे तो नहीं है, एक्शन में तो नहीं है. लेट्स सी सब फ्लो में कुछ है क्या नोटिफिकेशन का? मे बी आई गेट समथिंग ग्लोबल में, समथिंग दे आर सेइंग. सी ईमेल नोटिफिकेशन. नाउ यू कैन डिफाइन बाय दिस मैनर एज वेल. एटलीस्ट मिनिमम 3 स्टेप: अप्रूवल, random approval, manager approval and the task. And if you can go for the notification as well, so that you can tell that how this flow has been working. Being a consultant इससे ज़्यादा मुझे नहीं आना चाहिए. At least आना नहीं चाहिए आना नहीं चाहिए is a wrong word. Being a consultant, if I know this thing, I can talk to my customer. क्योंकि customer को इससे ज़्यादा clear भी नहीं होगा. Now it is going to the technical part. One thing which I want to tell you here, this has been introduced by ServiceNow in the latest ROM release. Is called the error handler as well. And one important point, if you are appearing for any kind of interview and this question has been asked by the interviewer, okay, tell me Ankit or Ronald or Surya on which instance or which version of ServiceNow you're working. You say I'm working on the ROM. You should know at least 3 or 4 features of that release, so that you say that yes, you know actual ROM. Random में कुछ भी याद रखो, लेकिन याद रखो. So this is a newly introduced by ServiceNow in the ROM release. When the ROM release for the PDI purpose, people start creating a lot of videos on this error handler. Then I saw, what is this? मेरे लिए नहीं समझ में आया क्योंकि technical है बहुत सारा ये. I click on the new here. In this also you can put the conditions. It is like a try and catch block in C or C++. If sum is not 5, तो मुझे क्या करना है? ये वो वाला काम है. यहाँ पर भी आपको एक्शन ऐड होगा, लॉजिक्स ऐड होंगे और सब फ्लो ऐड होंगे. If error handler, if I say action, I say error handler, सब फ्लो. क्या करो, मेरा एक नोटिफिकेशन भेज दो कि योर आइटम हैज बीन रिजेक्टेड और फेल एंड एक्स रीजन से, कुछ भी बोल सकते हैं आप यहाँ पर. सो यू कैन डिफाइन द flow logic or the subflow here as well. This is a new concept introduced in ROM release. If an error occur, what you want to do, but it is not a dynamic one. ये डायनेमिक अभी नहीं है, डायनेमिक आपको बनाना पड़ेगा अपने एक्सपीरियंस से, ठीक है। इफ user is getting out Java memory or the memory issue somewhere, then what logic you have to put it here? These things. Okay. Clear fundamental to this point. Any doubt? Any question? Anyone? Tell me.
Now we'll construct a couple of flows by today, and probably
Yes.
we'll share on that particular instance. Then you can find it out. Yeah.
You can do practice on my one because you are be getting today's copy as well. Okay, I just put a save here. I'll not, maybe it will not work properly now because for changes हमने किए हैं, but you get a little picture कि हमने what we done actually in the background. Okay, let me open this in the meantime if I can. Okay, in the meantime, any doubt, any question here, guys? Ronald, Ankit, Surya.
No, I think so.
Not exactly.
Okay, let me open this. Okay, let me stop the recording now and then we can discuss for a minute.